Hello everyone, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I am your narrator. I am going to explain past paper questions now. From the first chapter, these questions are very important in the exam for 4 marks. Here the question says that shows that root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. First, we need to assume that given number is a rational number. Let root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. And we know that rational number is in the form of P by Q. So, we should take root 5 minus root 3, which is equal to P by Q. Now, we need to get only one rational number for one side. But in a question, we have two irrational numbers. In question, we have two irrational numbers, that is root 5 and minus root 3, but we need to get only one irrational number to the one side, either LHS or RHS. So to remove this square root, we need to do the squaring on both sides. So what will become now? Root 5 minus root 3 whole square, which is equal to P by Q whole square. Now here you can see a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now here they given root 5 minus root 3 whole square. So what we will get here? A, in the a place we have root 5, that is root 5 whole square, plus b value is root 3. So we will get root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3, that is a and b. Now you should write on this step to the left side. Here root 5 minus root 3 whole square, which is equal to root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3, which is equal to p square by q square. Why? Because we need to separate the square for the p and the q. Now square and square root we can eliminate, so you will get only 5 plus square root and square we can eliminate, that is answer is 3, then minus 2, here root 5 and root 3. So root 5 and root 3 we will get root 5 into 3, so which gives root 15 is answer. So we can write 2 root 15, which is equal to p square by q square. Now 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15, which is equal to p square minus q square. So here we need to get only one irrational number to the LHS. So we need to transpose this 8 to the right side. So it will become 8 minus p by q square, which is equal to 2 root 15. So I transpose this to the right side and I transpose this to the left side. Now you can see here fraction, so to the LCM now 1 into q square, that is q square. So we need to multiply 1 into q square is a q square, so 8 into q square, then you will get 8 q square. Already denominator is q square and LCM also q square, so into 1, so numerator should multiply with 1, that is minus p, which gives 2 root 15 is answer. Then next transpose this 2 to the denominator, this 2 also. So the next you will get 8 q square minus p by q square. So you should send to the left side, it will become division, that is 2q square is equal to root 15. Now here you can see this root 15 is an irrational number and this part is a rational number. So these both are not equal. So here we can write, therefore LHS is a rational and RHS is an irrational. So now we can conclude that this contradicts our assumption is wrong. So what it is wrong? We assumed first one is the irrational number. So this our assumption is now wrong. So finally we can conclude that root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Here we can see the next question. Show that root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. And this question from March 2019. So just now we have discussed same model question in the previous June 2019. So we can do the same process. So first we should assume root 2 plus root 7 is a rational number, and we know that rational number is in the form of p by q, so that we can write root 2 plus root 7 which is equal to p by q. And I told you previous question, we need to remove the square root for the both, and we need to get one irrational number to this one side. So for that you should take the squaring on both sides. Then you will get root 2 plus root 7 which whole square is equal to p by q whole square. Now here we can see it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is an identity a plus b whole square, which gives a square plus b square plus 2ab. So first we need to simplify, that is in the form of a plus b whole square. So that root 2 plus root 7 which whole square which gives in the a plus we have root 2, so that is a square, and that is root 2 whole square plus b square means b is root 7 here. So we can write root 7 whole square plus 2 into a value here root 2 into b value is root 7. Now you should write on this solution step here, that is root 2 plus root 7 whole square which gives root 2 whole square plus root 2 root 7 whole square plus 2 into root 2 into root 7 which is equal to, now separate the p by q whole square which gives p square by q square. For that, so we need to separate the square for the both numerator and denominator. Now we can get it here, cancel the square root and the square, then you will get 2 plus square root and the square we can cancel, that is 7 plus now 2 into, so here we can multiply these two numbers, that is root a into b. So you will get root 2 into 7, that is root 14. So root 2 into root 7 you will get root 14 which is equal to p square by q square. Now 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 2 root 14 which gives p square by q square. Now transpose this 9 to the right side, then 2 root 14 which gives p square by q square. Now 9 will become negative 9. Now take the denominator 1 and do the LCM. Now q square minus 1, the LCM is q square. So now you should multiply the denominator. Already here denominator is q square and LCM is q square. So multiply with 1 and multiply with 1. That is p square minus 1 into q square, because LCM is q square. So into q square, then 9 into q square, you will get 9q square. On the left side we have 2 root 14. Now again transpose this 2 to the denominator, then root 14 which gives p square minus 9q square by q square already in the denominator. So now this 2 also will come to the denominator, that is 2q square. Now observe this step. Now here left side we have it is an irrational number, and right side we have rational number. Then these both can't be equal. Therefore, LHS is an irrational number and RHS is a rational number. Therefore, this is not true. So this contradicts our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong means it is not a rational number. First, because we decided, we assumed that it is a rational number, but our assumption is wrong. So we can conclude that root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. You will get more questions, very important questions for 4 mark, 2 mark and 1 mark from past paper. Thank you.